Na wa Minista muviani wa kisomo Ezekiel Machogu kutangaasa mausungio ma mutiani wa Kcpe ulaonekaliile ni amanyiw'A milioni umwe ngilima na ana thanthatu maana 550 na mwonzayu Minista niwaweta kana amanyiw'A ngilikenda maana 350 na ina maina yakalila mutiani Machogu easia kana amanyiw'A ala matana yakalila mutiani nimethiwa mainengwa mwana ungeni silikali wa kuikalila mutiani umwe wa Mbee mwaka ni tukite wa ngili ile na miongo ile na mwonza amanyiw'A ngili nana maana 5 na miongo ile na itatu ni makwatie Makisi ulwa maana ana aiweta kana ni maoleka vaisianiw'A na mwaka muvituku vala amanyiw'A ngili kenda maana ana miongo inana atatu mana ina Makisi maana ana ekatukwatiani na Kcpe Musau atuelese mavuasu kwa uliku.
Amanyiw'A milioni umwe ngilima na mathanthatu maana 550 na mwonza na alama nekie mutiani wa Kcpe mwakani uyu ni mamina na ukwata mausungio ma mutiani uyu na vala mumanyiw'A la eitongoetie wakwata Makisi maana miongo ili na nyanya.
In the 2023 Kcpe examination, there were 1,406,559 candidates who sat the Kcpe examination in 28,533 examination centers across the country. Of these, there were 721,544, that is 51.30% male, and there were 685,017, which was 48.70% female candidates who sat the examination. A total of 205 candidates who were not registered were also allowed to sit for the Kcpe examination, and of these, 125 were male, while 8 of them were female candidates. The highest score this year was 428 marks.
Minista muviani wa kisomo Ezekiel Machogu kavindani kutangaasa mausungio aya eweta amanyiw'A ngili kenda maana 350 na alama tanaye kamutiani uyu serikali kwisala muviani wa kisomo ni yeta mivango myailu ni kana kwikithya amanyiw'A aya nimekalila mutiani mwaine wa Mbee mwaka moku.
Minister of Education will conduct thorough mapping of any those who may have failed to sit the examination of this year in order to administer a special examination in January 2023. The indicative figure we have at the moment for those who were not able to sit the examination is 9,354 candidates, and we have given the opportunity to sit for an examination in January so that they can also be able to join Form 1.
Machogu oingi eweta mutiani uyu tawina wiki kumwingi na valano amanyiw'A elima na akwatiwe na sieko sia ukengani.
I wish to commend the candidates and all officials for ensuring that the integrity and the credibility of the 2023 Kcpe examination remained high. Only 2 candidates out of the total 1,406,557 were involved in examination malpractices during the 2023 Kcpe examination. One of the candidates was found with unauthorized notes in the examination room, while the other candidate was found with a mobile phone in the examination room.
Lingi wa Mauvo Mutongo TV, Nyenita wa Ben Musau.